did you come across this photo? The Prescott family made such a big scene that day. It was impossible to go unnoticed.
So,
Probably
good
the
evening.
whole school knows by now. Everyone's saying
Update
you like
for
Ethan.
today, guys. April 14, 2026. In
Why is your face red? You're not falling for him,
10.
are you? Of course not.
So, right now,
He's heaven's privileged one, the young master of the capital
mm,
circle. I'm just an ordinary girl, as ordinary as it gets.
electricity is still, I
I'm
would
not
say,
in the
limited.
same league as him.
And
You've got a point.
CPUZ, good job because
Except
they're trying their
you
best
shouldn't
to
fall for Ethan. People from the world
fix,
are way beyond our
repair.
league.
That's what they said, as soon as
Don't be
possible.
hurt.
Our signal
I know,
communication is,
but you can't control feelings.
I would say,
Ethan's life and mine were like two parallel lines.
limited also
So a brief crossing is
because
already more than enough.
there are locations
Ethan likely won't be in my
that
life
you
anymore.
can really communicate. Like this time, I'm here beside telecom using data. Actually, it's good, and that's the only thing you have to come closer to the satellites, and that's the, I think, challenging one here right now. Um, I think I also notice and observe that if you have Starlinks, if you have your own generator, then I think, yeah, your communication connection is consistent.
I haven't forgotten.
And I noticed that many friends right now needs to charge their phones, gadgets, and of course to communicate with their relatives in US. So that's I think that's the thing that I noticed. So if you have friends here in YouTube, I think no problem, especially if they have generators. Like yesterday, I went to Jordan Auto Shop and I asked them. It's good shout out, good Dudley. Yeah, I charged my gadgets and then and also to our friends right now. They have access to communication. I think that's the thing that I'm thinking now in the future. So we need to have up to date communication, how we how we could help our friends, especially victims, because yes, government is helping them. We're also helping them, but the most people that can help them right away are their relatives. So how to communicate with them if no connection? So I think that's the thing that will help us to figure out in times of uh, surprises, calamity like this. So it's easy for them to send or so many ways. Actually, this Sinlaku gives us this um, lesson that we can something in the future. We could have like charger that are friends that can charge their phones because right now I think yeah, many needs to communicate with their relatives and because relatives wants also to know what's their status or situation. So I think that's one thing. And oh, asa ang naglobat ani? Which one? Okay. All right. Okay, so I'll give you the update today. Um, I'll give you a preview, quick today's update from took height down to Nipukus, and there's big changes right now. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, let's check. But lots of damages did by Sinlaco here in June. So we'll pray and keep praying for victims. And high school now is accommodating victims here in Puano. So thank you, Principal. Yes, Vice Principal is one, Vice Sister Moria for yeah, God is guiding you to help our brethren, our victims. So Piriso, until next time. Market nila, di ba? Ayun. Our featured was the 11. 11. Sorry. Yeah. I will set a time to preview that one featuring the 11. But what I want to uh, give you is the update today. Yeah, I'll go back. Sorry. Uh, that was this the previewing or something viewing the video. Um, that was 4 o'clock today, and right now is 6:21 Chuk time. So I will just switch to our video, and then that one is just to review updating today's update for Wano. What's going on? Okay, sorry. Don't worry about the time, but the real is this one. This is really live. I'm here beside Telecom. At least our friends here in Chuk will be aware of how to get good signal. I'm using data right now, and I'm live on my YouTube, and at the same time reviewing videos. Okay, let's go. The update. I'll give you the update today. But lots of damages did by Sinlaco here in. So we'll pray and keep praying for victims. And high school now is accommodating victims here in Puano. So thank you, Principal. Yes, Vice Principal is one, Vice Sister Moria for yeah, God is guiding you to help our brethren, our victims. So Piriso, until next time. Market nila, di ba? Ayun. April, unsa kay ma? April 14. This is now the situation update here in Chuk. April 14, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So you look at the plants, brown color this time. Oy! Oy! Sugas dagan eh. So, April 14. Saan yung pizza? Saan yung adlaw ma?
14. Tuesday.
Tuesday lagi. Still 14. Wow, look at the plants. My goodness. Color brown. Ang tabunan.
Hindi naman gisunod.
So that's the house. Damaged house because of the mango. Of course, sinlako. Sinlako. Sunny day from morning till now. Very hot. That's the result. I wanna go left this time because I think this car is in hurry. Go ahead. Yep. So, busy on fixing, repairing CPUC right now. We don't know which part or which portion is or are done or is done. So this is Chuk now, April 14. Yeah, that's the phrase that I can give you. Sunny day from morning till now. The time now is 4:30. Chuk time. Yeah, only few plants now looks green, but most of the leaves, most of the plants now color brown. I don't know if these plants can still like survive. That's the situation. Oh, nanang si PUC dio. Oh, they're on this side. CWC side. So that means this side they're done. This is now the situation. This portion last time was really traffic, but now it's clear or cleared. Flow now or smooth. And that's the boat standby there. That's during Sinlaco. Trees still there, brown color. Trees. So this side Island Mart, really traffic this time. But this morning we only I saw only, was that Susumo, mommy? Only Susumo gas station open. And this time let's check,
Masig close na po din.
or else only still busy. Always busy. So making sure that the Duke 10 is always what safety. And this portion this time still what's this? What's it tawagan?
Flooding?
This flooding, right? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe stink. Stink? I don't know.
Agay, close na po pa.
Ha? Close na? Wala na? Nya ka na, di wala po no? Wala po no?
Unsa?
And the tree already down, right? Wala na.
Wala na gas.
Noong sa man ta?
Wala.
Agoy. So this portion, yeah, that one broken. This building broken. Yeah, few houses there. Few or most. Ooh, damaged by Sinlaco damage. This part, that tree is really, really strong. That one, very first building there, damaged. Trees here brownish now. Wala na tamam eh. Ay, Ace Order is still open.
Ato ta dito kasi. Open.
Pamasin. Wala na may. So this side. Oh, wala na may. Look at octopus now. Last time, before on 10 and previous days, green color, but now it's brown color octopus. It's really octopus now, changing color.
Close.
Ooh. So that's the color of octopus now. Plants killed by Sinlaco. My goodness, Sinlaco. You're not friendly typhoon. Is there any friendly typhoon on this side? Ooh. Damage. That side. Ito ay tag-check dia. Kung tag ginalon? Ha? Or balik ta sa kwan? Balik ta.
David.
Ito ilan eh.
Parihara mo din na diha og dito nani.
Ha?
Alberta?
Ha?
Parihara mo din na diha.
Ito ay tag-check dia. So this side, brown color now. Look at our mountain, brown color. Brown chuk now. It's no longer green. See, buildings up there, damaged. You can just pause if you're gonna focus on checking houses,
Kuan man gid ayo sa mga
hospital side. Hey, look at the mountain. It's brown now. Ano daw dia? Wala no. Wala lagi ba? CPUC very busy.
Dili dai sila nagbalik.
They're still here.
So wala sila dito ni padayon.
Busy people right now. So that's now April 14 situation. Big tree still here. See, hospital side and the government offices. Tree still here. Close to sanitation office. Tree down. Woo! And that's the situation. Oh, so that's the update. That's the color now of our mountain. That's the update. At least you can see the update of Bueno this time. April 14. Yeah, no more small house or truck stop right there. This time. Maybe they will start building again. So we're here at CFTI dock. At least you can see the. So that side, last 10, 11, that was really problem. It's like big waves. That's the reason why you can see rocks on the road during those days. And this time is a little bit since we see now our friends from islands, outer islands. I would fight you, so they're allowed now to come here. So that's their life also. Police right there, alert, making sure that Chuk Wano is always safety. You can see the big roots there. It's always safety. So at least you have idea, guys, of what's going on today.
This is my room. Get
It's
out.
always safety. So at least you have idea, guys, of what's going on today.
Throw themselves at me in my
That's it.
position.
So that's our
You work
update.
for Song Wei. How much does she pay
April
you?
14, 2026. And right now I'm here inside my car. Yan, pwede na yan mo gamay.
I'll
Mapil
give you
siya.
200,000
Just
a month.
low. We're communicating with our relatives,
Get away.
Philippines.
If you won't leave,
So we're using data. It's good,
what are you doing? Put me
but
down.
you have to, of course, come close to
You
telecom
think you're fooling?
to get good signal.
You're past.
And that's the update,
A country girl
guys.
like
Again,
you should be
our
grateful
time
I
now
even
here in
noticed you.
Chuk is 6:39 Chuk time. All right, so we'll proceed to our I'll give you a little bit
Someone
update to FB
do it.
page. And this is my
Bring her
YouTube
back.
channel,
Yes, sir.
Kuya
Yes,
Novo.
sir.
Thank you for always there. And this Senlaco storm really gives us the more quick mind and thinking of something alternative when it comes to calamity. So people now, many of them needs something like they need to charge their gadgets. They need signal. And the question is, how about those friends who are a little bit far from this location? What's the option? So at least, yes, they have still signal because they have Starlinks. If you have Starlink generator, then
Stop.
I think that's the only thing. So right now, that's the challenging part, but at least our CPUC people are trying their best to. That's what they said, as soon as possible to finish or to work on to repair those damages of this in Laco. So this is natural phenomenon that no one can control this. So thank you for Turkish people, foreigners who are here in Turkey helping together just to um, continue and
This is a video
yes,
pastor from the top family in Qinghai City.
we have to help each other. And thank you. Good night.
Wait, how
And
dare you disturb my brother Xian? You have a
that's our update today.
get lost. Brother Xian.